All right, guys, I wanted to jump on here. This wasn't a planned math video, but I saw a problem like this on your Think Central assignment yesterday, so I thought it'd be really important for us to go over one like this because it can be a little bit tricky. So the problem yesterday that a lot of you had was it showed two different subtraction problems. And it was, it mentioned somebody's name like Julie or Juliana or whoever was saying that the associative property does work for subtraction. And you had to tell whether she was right, whether that made sense, or whether it was nonsense. And so what I wanted to do is, this is a lot like the problem. It's not exactly, but it's a lot like the problem that she wrote. And what it looks like at first glance is this 24 minus 8 minus 3, it looks exactly the same as the other side, 24 minus 8 minus 3. But once you turn it into the associative property and you associate numbers with each other, it does make a difference. So I want you to see if you can tell, does the associative property, when we add parentheses, does it work? And do you get the same answer on both sides? Okay. So on this one, I'm going to put it here, 24 minus 8. And on this one, I'm going to put it here, 8 minus 3. All right, let's see if we get the same answer. Because for addition, it does work, and for multiplication, it does work. So does it work for subtraction? So let's see. 24 minus 8 is 16. And 16 minus 3 is 13. So we got 13 on this side. All right, so let's see if we get 13 on the other side. Remember, we've got to always solve the parentheses first. So even though 24 comes first on the left, we always do the parentheses first. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 24 minus 5 is 19. So did we get the same thing on both sides? Does 13 equal 19? And it does not. You might have seen a symbol looking like that. Yes, on yesterday's assignment, that means does not equal or not equivalent to. So 13 is not equivalent to 19. Okay, it does not equal the same thing. So no, Julie was wrong. The associative property does not work for subtraction like it does addition and like it does for multiplication. It does not work for subtraction. All right, so hopefully that'll help as you work through your practice today. That was a tricky one. So go work hard and do your best.